Only 1 cup of this drink will clean your body from toxins and parasites. This recipe is excellent for the entire body, because it cleans the entire body of toxins and parasites. In a lethal manner, it improves immunity, cleanses the liver, improves brain work, and protects of heart attack. It is believed to help in the treatment of cancer. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 fresh root of ginger, 4 apples, 1 glass of water. Preparation: lemon, ginger and apples should be organic. Firstly, you should peel the lemon. Make a mixture of all the ingredients in a juicer. The apples should not be peeled. You should prepare this drink in the morning. This beverage has to be taken before the breakfast on an empty stomach.